Option A Pharmaceutical Limited. Medicine list and brand names. Abdorin tablet, Abdorin syrup, Acirax injection, Acirax tablet, Acirax suspension, Acirax eye ointment, Acirax cream, Acirax Ace cream, Advil tablet, Advil suspension, LG-Cal C tablet, LG-Cal C plus tablet, LG-Cal D tablet, LG-Cal DX tablet, LG Sam tablet, LG Sam suspension, LG Sam Max suspension, Elastine DT tablet, Elastine EF tablet, L-Metan tablet, Alphaloc tablet, Alphaloc XR tablet, L-Prax tablet, L-Prax XR tablet, Alusil S tablet, Alusil S suspension, Amarin tablet, Amarin syrup, Amarin injection, Amifen suspension, Amifen tablet, Amylin tablet, Amylin plus tablet, Amukel tablet, Amukel AT tablet, Amukel BZ capsule, Ampexin injection, Enifer injection, NSAID suppository, NSAID tablet, NSAID oral solution, NSAID injection, Entoris MR tablet, Entenex tablet, Arain tablet, Arbitan tablet, Arbitan plus tablet, Teripan tablet, Artiron DS eye drop, R2 Flex tablet, Aeroxyl tablet, A-Bus tablet, AB-Mac tablet, Azicin capsule, Azicin tablet, Azicin suspension, Azunox capsule, BC tablet, Baclu tablet, Baclu oral solution, Betagest tablet, Betasec tablet, Batson cream, Batson ointment, Batson CG cream, Batson CL ointment, Batson CL cream, Batson N cream, Batson N eye drop, Batson S scalp lotion, Bislol tablet, Bislol Max tablet, Bislol Plus tablet, Bonfix tablet, Bupam tablet, Boxel pediatric drop, Boxel syrup, Boxel SR capsule, Dry, eye drop, Dry, USD eye drop, Bryrel tablet, Brumnac eye drop, Brumudel tablet, Butaret pediatric drop, Butaret syrup, Butaret SR tablet, Calec tablet, Calci injection, Calcit tablet, Calnor tablet, Candivac ear drop, Cardex tablet, Carlep tablet, Carticel plus tablet, Carticel TS tablet, Keviton tablet, KJEP tablet, KJEP CR tablet, Cefupar injection, Ceftex injection, Ceftit suspension, Ceftit pediatric drop, Ceftit capsule, Ceftit tablet, Ceftit DS suspension, Ceftit QS pediatric drop, Centronix tablet, Centronix oral solution, Saffron capsule, Saffron suspension, Saffron pediatric drop, Saffron injection, Ciclex nasal spray, Cildip tablet, Cinaril tablet, Cinaril plus tablet, Ciprox tablet, Ciprox injection, Ciprox eye ointment, Ciprox DS suspension, Ciprox XR tablet, Citalex tablet, Citin tablet, Cititol tablet, Clamox tablet, Clamox suspension, Clamox injection, Clavusape tablet, Clavusape suspension, Clindax capsule, Clindax suspension, Clindax injection, Clindax lotion, Clindax vaginal cream, Clindax plus topical gel, Clindax B topical gel, Clinurel tablet, Clinusol injection, Clinusol gold injection, Clinusol bead injection, Clove tablet, Cluvac suspension, Cluvac pediatric drop, Clovicort cream, Clovicort ointment, Clont tablet, Clontas tablet, Cloxin capsule, Cloxin injection, Cloxin suspension, Conical eye ointment, Conical eye drop, Conbulase syrup, Fusarin tablet, Cort suspension, Corson tablet, Corson injection, Trizyme tablet, D-cough syrup, Danflex capsule, Decason injection, Decason eye ointment, Decason tablet, D-Lite capsule, D-Lite tablet, D-Lite injection, Depudol tablet, Darmex cream, Darmex ointment, Darmex NN cream, Darmex S ointment, Darmovan ointment, Dash tablet, Dash syrup, Dex play syrup, Dexporil syrup, Dezacort tablet, Dezacort suspension, Diclofenac tablet, Diclofenac suppository, Diclofenac gel, Diclofenac plus injection, Diclofenac SR tablet, Diohash tablet, Diohash DS tablet, Dismonal tablet, Dovical capsule, Docusate tablet, Domin suspension, Domin pediatric drop, Domin suppository, Domin tablet, Dupamate tablet, Doxin capsule, Doxorin tablet, Doxorin syrup, Doxorin SR tablet, Duralux tablet. Thank you everybody. Please subscribe.